5 Health Benefits of an Apple. Apples are not just crunchy, sweet and satisfying. As part of a smart diet, they can help protect against serious diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, cancer and more. Consider them your healthy secret weapon. You've heard it a million times, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Turns out there's more truth to that than you might think. Studies show apples have powerful health benefits, particularly when it comes to fighting chronic diseases that kill millions of people each year. Here's a short list of how eating more apples can help keep you healthy, along with some Applelicious ways to add them to your meals. 1. Protects your heart. Multiple studies show apples are good for your ticker in multiple ways. Their high fiber content has been shown to help improve cholesterol levels. A new small clinical trial found subjects who ate 2 apples a day for 8 weeks had significantly lower LDL cholesterol levels than those who didn't eat the fruit. The researchers cite apples' fiber, but also polyphenols. You benefit from whole fruits nutrients working together. A review of data published by Florida State University also found that people who ate whole fruits including apples were less likely to develop high blood pressure. And the Women's Health Study showed that women who ate apples over the 7-year study period had up to a 22% reduced risk of heart disease. 2. Boosts brain health. A group of 4 large studies presented at the Alzheimer's Association's International Conference in 2017 adds to the evidence that eating a plant-based diet may help prevent dementia. In one of the studies, Swedish researchers following 2,000 people for 6 years found that those who stuck to a diet called the Nordic Prudent Dietary Pattern, NPDP, had better cognitive function than people who ate more fatty, processed foods. Among other things, the NPDP calls for eating plenty of non-root vegetables, plus pears, peaches and you guessed it, apples. In another of the studies, healthy older adults who followed either the Mediterranean or MIND diet, both of which stress eating fresh fruits and vegetables, lowered their risk of dementia by 30 to 35%. The longer they followed the diet, the better their cognitive function. Experts point out that more research is needed, but the results look promising. 3. Helps you lose weight. One medium apple can help fill you up for under 100 calories, so it's no surprise that apples can help with weight loss. Turns out it's what form of apple you eat that counts. In one study, people who ate apple slices before a meal felt fuller and more satisfied than people who had applesauce, apple juice or no apples at all. The same study also found that starting a meal with apple slices helped people eat an average of 200 fewer calories compared to those who skipped the apple slices. 4. Lowers your risk of type 2 diabetes. The numbers speak for themselves. In an extensive review of studies, Tufts researchers noted a strong association of apple eating with diabetes prevention, finding that people who ate 1 or more apples a day had up to a 23% lower risk of type 2 diabetes than non-apple eaters. In another study of more than 38,000 healthy women, those who ate 1 or more apples a day had a 28% lower risk of type 2 diabetes than the non-apple eaters. And in a review of data from more than 187,000 people involved in 3 long-term studies, Harvard researchers found that people who ate at least 2 servings a week of blueberries, grapes and, apples lowered their diabetes risk by 23%, compared to people who had 1 serving or less a month. 5. Fights cancer. Apple's cancer-fighting antioxidant activity is nearly tops among fruits. Eating an apple a day is linked with lower risk of several cancers, including colorectal, breast and prostate. In fact, an analysis of several Italian studies found that eating 1 or more servings of apples a day helped lower the risk of colorectal cancer more than eating any other fruit. Other studies in humans have found that eating apples can be helpful in preventing lung and prostate cancer. Don't toss the peel, though, that's where most of the cancer-fighting antioxidants are found.